Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x plus 1. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that this one next to y, that is for integrating factor. So number 2, we can put into x plus 1 over x plus 1. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1 in here. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, we have ln of s plus 1. And now we can put like this. E to the power of ln s plus 1, we have s plus 1. Now we multiply both sides by this one. So we can simplify s plus 1 and e to the power of negative s. This one we can simplify. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y s plus 1 e to the power of s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2, and I will put about c. 8 divided by 2, we have number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.